What's up guys, it's Sneaker Talk and you're watching Flight for Hype.
What's going on everybody, it's your boy Jordan Stamina back from Flight for Hype and I am back at work at OD Toronto. If anyone doesn't know, this is where I literally work. We've got DJ Hugs over there. Yo, go give everyone a hug, bro. Anyways, so we've got Tom and Sneaker Talk coming to the store. Not sure what they want to do today, but every time they're here, it's always a good time. And if you guys haven't already, go follow us on Instagram at OD Toronto. Also follow me on Instagram at Jakes' Films. Everybody's link is in the description below. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna see what we're gonna chop up today. It's gonna be great. If you are new to the channel, then please hit the subscribe button. We'd very much appreciate it. We are trying to get monetized out here, and we can't do it without your watch time and your support. So that'd be really awesome if you guys could do that. All right, guys. So Tom and Sneaker Talk is about to come here. So let's go. What's up, guys?
How goes it, sir?
What's up, man?
Oh, are we on camera already? Oh, you caught me. Guys, I'm wearing a mask.
Welcome back to OD, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I am wearing one of the very cool clear masks. Brand new technology.
Well, looks great.
It's honestly insane. I can't even feel that it's on my face. So that is great. We're at OD. I don't really know what we're checking out today. I think Christian's size swapping stuff.
Yeah.
Check out his pants. Can we talk about his pants?
What's the pants called?
Doom Life, they're the L1A pants. They're sold out.
We're going to redo this.
Yeah?
We're going to redo this.
Yeah.
Mr. Cantillon, great to have you here today. Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing Doom Life by Scarlett.
By Scarlett.
Yeah,
Can
she's
you tell us a little bit more?
Like a screamo gothic artist from the UK.
Okay.
Launched his own line to embody his own aesthetic, his vibe, his aura. So I'm basically embodying him right now. I'm wearing him.
Awesome. Well, thank you for joining us, Mr. Cantillon. Can you tell us about any upcoming projects you have?
Yeah, my OnlyFans is really popping off this month. We're
I'm
gonna
leaving.
do
I think we need to get you in some OD pants, bro.
You guys have pants too?
That'd be a great red carpet interviewer, I'm just saying. I need to find a new career path.
Christian, what were you thinking of doing today?
I wanted to do a sneaker battle with you.
Sneaker battle.
Yeah, sneaker battle.
I'm scared.
So yeah, I'm almost undefeated. Not quite, but
How do your sneaker battles go?
so we're gonna do 5 categories.
Okay.
It's gonna be different brands or styles of sneakers.
Okay.
And then I put a poll on Instagram, and then the viewers decide who wins the round. And at the end of the video, the winner usually gets to step on the other person's shoes.
Oh, hell no!
But depending on what we're wearing, we can work something out. You know, or buy them another pair of shoes.
This is an OD battle, man.
You're like, okay, cool. Only if you get to buy me the shoes.
I didn't sign up for this.
Let's do this, man.
And Christian always wins because it's his fans voting for everything.
No,
so
I
that's
don't
the
actually.
issue. He
I
actually
don't.
does always win. He's actually 42 and 0.
Do you guys hear that? I'm actually kind of scared now. It's okay though. It's Christian versus OD now.
What are you size swapping? Show us. Show us. Show us.
Oh yeah.
I don't actually know what he's size swapping. I don't actually know what he's size swapping. So this is okay, very cool.
What you got?
Jordan 1s. Are these what came out? Mochas?
No.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, nice.
Where, pray tell, did you find such an expensive shoe, Christian?
It was in.
These are tiny. What size is this?
These
like
are size
8.5?
9.
Oh, that's my size.
Are they for you?
What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new sneaker battle. We're here today at OD Toronto. I'll leave them linked in the description down below. And today's challenger is Jordan. Go ahead and introduce yourself real quick.
What's going on, guys? My name is Jordan Stamina, and I'm from Flight for Hype, but I also work at OD Toronto.
So for today's battle, we're gonna have a Nike themed battle. Starting off with the Air Jordan 1 High, then getting on to the Jordan 1 Lows. So winner gets to step on the loser's shoes. And yeah, go ahead and vote in the comment section down below who you guys think deserves to win. With that said, let's get into it.
Hey, if you guys want to step on my shoes, don't. Whoa, these things are like brand new. Christian. Watch out.
Okay, guys, I did say that it was okay for Christian to go on my shoes, but we don't lose here at OD. But don't tell him I said that. Shout out to my boy Shoebox, man. Killing it with the pins.
Oh, and he's in Canada.
Yep, he's in Canada.
That's very cool.
I can introduce you guys if you want.
Yeah, those would be sick to put in mystery boxes.
Exactly, that's what we've been doing too.
Yeah. Do you think I would get in trouble from your employers if I started playing catch with the Supreme footballs?
I think not from me, I think from the big boss.
Yeah. I would really love to. There's not like a ton of breakable stuff in here, so I think it could be a fun game. Have you ever played Jackpot when you were a kid?
Yeah.
We could do that in here.
What do you guys think?
Air Max round. I was tempted to go with like these Atmos.
The reason why is because first of all, the sale price is actually on them, $14.25. That's how much they cost. Actual real holy water from the river.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Nike Dunk Lows. Let's see it. Let's see the pick.
St. John's.
St. John's. Tell me about this pick. Why are you going with these ones, man?
Because red is one of my favorite colors, and I feel like you can just never go wrong with a red pair of shoes. Because first of all, I paid resale for these, and I love the iridescent on them.
Just rewatch that clip to see how amazing it was.
This guy just dancing in the background.
For probably like 30 seconds. I don't know if you could call it dancing.
It's like you at the club. I saw you at the corner of my eye.
Ah, darn.
Yeah. Someone get there, man.
Basically, in these battles, all you do is just think, what would a 14-year-old like? And you just pick that shoe and you're gonna win.
It takes away the fun, man. You gotta go
Now I know.
with your personal
follow your
preference.
heart.
Yeah, you gotta follow your heart, man. Follow your heart.
We don't have one.
Whoa, I was really
That's Tom.
Oh, you're gonna go on this side?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen
Go ahead.
the videos of those ending up at Nike outlets?
Yeah, which is nuts.
My friend got 75 pairs of them.
Hold up, let me take a
His
sec.
entire
Let me
college
take a
tuition
sec.
on
You're
one.
rich.
Yeah. I don't know if I'd wear it. Like, price aside and stuff, I just don't know if, like, looking at shoes in the closet, if I'd pick that to wear it.
You know what's crazy too? Like, if it wasn't a Yeezy, maybe not, but it is.
Yeah.
Like, they're nice, don't get me wrong, but like,
Yeah.
there's a lot of nicer shoes.
Like, I prefer the Yeezy ones almost. They just look more like an old school basketball
Kind of
shoe.
remind me of an elephant too, a little bit.
Yeah. Like, they just look like a David Robinson
Yeah.
basketball shoe.
I like the net 10s though.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Yeah.
Okay, we are hijacking the channel, ladies and gentlemen. One thing that you probably don't know about ODTO is that they sell Vans. That's one thing that I didn't know about ODTO. They sell Supreme Vans. They literally just sell Supreme Vans. They have no regular Vans. Probably makes sense for a Hypebeast store. But yeah, we're just discovering all kinds of new stuff. This hoodie, has patterns on it. Don't know much about that. That's a white box logo, probably pretty expensive. A Supreme Super Soaker. I know that's expensive, relatively, compared to regular Super Soakers. I'm sure there's a bunch of other interesting stuff here. I should probably give you this back.
Oh, no problem, man. Thanks, Tom. All right, so we're going upstairs now. But we're wrapping up the sneaker battle.
Oh, we're going upstairs now.
Kind of scared because he's got a great following. He's got dedicated followers. I'm a nobody, you know, but it's okay. Hopefully my ODTO love is in here. And then when I mean that, it's probably just like 2 people. Oh, it is really hot up here. It is like super.
When I stand up from my chair, sometimes like yeah, like the very end of this thing like latches onto
That's
the.
actually sort of
Dude,
weird.
that reminds me of the time when I was on a swing and I used to wear chains and it got stuck in the swing and I flew back on it.
That's a big oof.
Yeah. And people saw me like go on it and then I flung back and just wiped
That must
out.
have hurt emotionally as well as physically.
Alright, so if you made it to this point in the video, comment down below who you guys thought won the sneaker battle. Hit that like button, and of course make sure you guys enter my Dior Air Force One Low giveaway. I'll leave it linked down below. With that said, we have the Instagram results. The poll has been up for 20 minutes, so not as long as normal, but let's see the results after 20 minutes. Who won based off Instagram alone, and whose shoes are going to get stepped on. Oh, that is not a step.
I can do it too if you want.
We're good.